For years I've studied barbecue and learned from some expert barbecue smokers. However, lately I've heard of this new to me idea of smoking without soaking the wood. Soaking the wood has always done two main things for me. Not created a flame up so that it chars the meat by increasing the temperature due to the wood catching on fire. And two, letting it last a longer time as the wood takes a while to smoke. My latest research says that soaking the wood actually does some bad things to our meat. First, instead of that blue smoke that barbecuers prefer, it creates a white smoke, which is primarily the water turning into gas. Also, that water can create impurities through the wood based on what it's soaking in. So here I am. I'm gonna give it a try. I haven't soaked my wood. I've got some hickory wood that I'm gonna be smoking and some London broil that I've got an awesome rub with. Right now my charcoal's almost ready. I used my preferred method of getting charcoal started. If you haven't seen that video, check it out, it's above. And then for our first time, unsoaked hickory wood. I used a basic blend of spices for my rub, including salt and pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and onion powder. Here's my beautiful beef prepped and ready for some low and slow smoking. My temperature is not quite to where I normally have it when I smoke my meat. It is hovering around a little under 200. Now, I'm expecting, since I didn't soak the wood, that it's gonna combust pretty quick and raise that temperature really high quickly. So I'm gonna put my meat on now and then put the dry hickory on and we're gonna see what happens. Am I gonna get that awesome blue flame that's supposed to have the purest smoke and flavor ever? Is it gonna flare up? Let's find out. Now before I even put the wood in, I'm gonna make sure my airflow is not gonna be flowing through quickly, causing the wood to flame up. My side barrel is closed tight, and my vent has a small crack to allow the bad gases to release while not creating a ton of airflow. Again, this dry wood is supposed to be pure and have a great smoked flavor without the bitterness of that soaked wood. Now I've got some smoke in there. I put 2 chunks of wood in. I do not even want to open that side barrel, creating the combustion of the wood. So we're gonna keep it closed until I do not see any more of this blue smoke coming out, and then I'll add some more. I have no idea how long it's gonna take. But as always, I'm gonna enjoy the day and the evening, kicking back, relaxing, and enjoying this amazing hobby that I absolutely love. It's been 10 minutes. Surprisingly, my temperature hasn't changed at all. I'm not exactly seeing that blue smoke, but we're gonna stick with it. It's been a good 20 minutes. I don't really notice anything different. There is a little bit less billowing of smoke. The smell is really concentrated though. It smells so good. I'm getting hungry already. So I'm gonna wait it out. Still wait for this blue smoke. You can tell it's pretty white right now. But it's got a great smoky smell to it. It's gonna be great. So Tristan, can you smell the smoker in the front yard?
Yes.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
You getting hungry?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah, buddy. It's been about 45 minutes. I guarantee that wood has not caught flame. My temperature has actually been lowering. So I'm gonna hopefully not risk it and open my top vent a little bit. I'm gonna keep watching it, making sure. Oh wow, that smoke is coming out a lot better. That's the extra airflow coming through and creating that awesome billow of goodness. I will say that smoke is smelling amazing. It is a more concentrated smell, And I can see how maybe this meat is gonna taste even smokier. It's a barbecuer's dream. Well, as always, it's been a great day of smoking meat. My meat is reaching temperature. It's really gone smoother than I thought. I had no flame ups. There was consistent light blue smoke coming out. Not as blue as what I've heard, but the smell was really rich and smoky. So I'm really anxious to try the meat. That's gonna be the test for me. Now that I figured out how to really maintain the airflow so the dry wood didn't combust, I feel like this might be a way to do it from now on. Let's try this meat and find out. Cheers, guys. Put it in your mouth.
Mmm. Tastes amazing, guys.
If smoking soaked wood is like driving a sedan, then smoking with dry wood is like driving a Lamborghini. Also, the meat was more smoky. I'm definitely going to try it again and keep perfecting and experimenting with smoking some amazing meat.